What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Whew. This is the Nebula Blue version of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, you want to protect your device because if you don't, guess what? You're gonna be paying some money to fix that bad boy out. Now, I have a couple cases here from Tudia. I wanted to thank Tudia for sending these over. I have the Tudia Merge cases in a black and I believe in metallic gray. I believe this is the matte black, and then I have the metallic slate. So let's check out the matte black first. You want to protect your stuff. Now, these cases are about 10 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave some links down in the description so you can check those out. But you got your triple camera setup there for that telephoto standard and wide angle lens. You got your volume up and down, ready to go. You got some nice little material here so that it gives a good grip when your phone is inside there, which is great. You have your opening here for the volume slider and also your on and off button here. Now you got your opening here for your Type-C, also for your speaker, and a little opening here for your pop-up camera. As we all know, the OnePlus 7 Pro has that bad boy, and your microphone there. Now, this is very durable material here so that you're going to be able to protect your device. Now, like I said, this is absolutely beautiful device. So you want to slap this sucker in here and protect it. You know what? It would help if I put it in right. How about that? But yeah, you want to put it in correctly so that you can pop out the camera. You know what I mean? But that's it. It's in there. It's good to go. This is, you know what? This is... Hey man, Tudia, good job. This is a nice case, man. And it goes good with the blue. I know you're covering up that sexiness, but you just can't show your booty all the time. You know what I mean? You gotta get it, you gotta keep it covered up, because if you do, you don't, you might get in trouble. You know what I mean? So keep it covered up, especially this phone, man. Get it home at night, take off your jacket, take off the back, and you can show it off, you know, show it to your people. But this is a really nice phone and case. Volume down, up and down buttons are real solid, secure. I like how they're real strong. And then here, your volume, your on and off button is excellent. You got your opening here for your sliders. You got no issues reaching this. So it's real easy to reach. Boom, boom. You can put it, I have it on silent because I'm doing the video. And then here for your camera, you got your opening here for your camera, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out so you guys can see it in action. Boom, you got no issues there. Let's do it again. Comes right out. So as you can see, this features the pop-up camera from the OnePlus 7 Pro, and it works really excellent here on the channel. But man, I really like this case here. That is the black. Let's check out the metallic slate. Now this is a little different. This gives you a little bit of color. So if you want that metallic look, you can. It's the same case, it's just a different color. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this out. Make sure that I put it in right this time. Hey man, I do my videos raw. I don't try to make it look perfect. I'm not pretty like MKBHD or Super Saf and all those guys, bro. I'm Android Stud, bro. I give it to you from the streets. All right, so I'm telling you, these cases from Tudia are nice, man. I like these cases. This case is excellent. But let's do that section. I know you want to see it again. You're like, I hope he shows me the pop-up camera again. I hope he shows it to me again. So let's do that again. I'm gonna give it to you again because I know you want it. You ready? There it is. I gave it to you too quick. Are you ready? Be ready. Yeah, you know you want it. I'll give it to you again. I know you want it again. Here we go. Here we go. You ready? That's it, man. The pop-up camera is solid, man. You got no issues there. Also, the slider button is great. You got your opening there for your rear cameras, which are excellent. But man, the lip protection on this is pretty solid, if you ask me. You got to protect it. This is a nice case, man. I think I would go with the black. Yeah, I don't know. The silver's not bad. Silver's not bad. You got that good grip there. So if you're holding your device, you know, because this is a massive device. So you want to make sure that you protect it, man. But yeah, that grip there is very, very good. But that's gonna do it, man. These are 2 cases from Tudia. They're about 10 bucks. I'll leave some links down below. Follow me on Twitter or Instagram at AndroidStud. Also like or subscribe to the channel, please. And leave a comment down below to tell me what you guys think about these cases from Tudia. And I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna give it to you guys one more time. Peace. I'm out.